Every year, as the final days of calendar draw near, a familiar rhythm begins across the southeast of Nigeria. It starts quietly, a mother packing boxes, a father checking the car, young students booking bus tickets, and families abroad confirming their flight schedules. And then, almost suddenly, the entire region begins to vibrate with movement, a mass pilgrimage of millions returning home. The December homecoming is not a holiday, it is not tourism, it is something deeper, a cultural heartbeat. From Onitsha to Lagos, London to Atlanta, Port Harcourt to Johannesburg, Igbo sons and daughters begin a journey back to their villages that raised them, to the roots that remembers their footsteps, to the compounds where their ancestors once sat under the moonlight. This film takes you on a journey into these remote yet extraordinary villages: Ozubulu, Okititi, Icheda, Nnobi, Ihiala, Ohafia, Orupo, and Osume, communities that come alive each December in ways the rest of the world rarely sees. For the Igbo man and woman, the village is not a relic of the past. It is the true center of life. The cities offer success, money, and opportunities. But the village offers identity, culture, and belonging. Here, family compounds stretch back generations. Names carry history. Every path holds memory. Every elder is a library of wisdom. December is the one month where everything comes together. Reunions, celebrations, cultural festivals, weddings, title-taking ceremonies, meetings for community development, home openings, charity events, and a reconnection to the soil that defines them. For many, the return is a renewal, a reminder that no matter how far life takes them, they are never strangers to their own roots. Ozubulu, in Ekusigo local government of Anambra State. is one of the most visually compelling December towns in the region. The town stretches across rolling lowlands lined with palm trees that sways like guardians over the land. As you enter Ozubulu during December, you notice something immediately. Lights, Christmas lights, compound decorations, street ornaments, the entire community glows. Modern mansions stand alongside traditional family houses, creating a stunning blend of old and new. The roads are usually busy, pickups carrying gifts, cars loaded with luggages, youths returning from Lagos, families reuniting after years apart. Evenings are magical in Ozubulu. The humid air carries the scent of roasted yams, pepper soup, and palm wine. From open compounds, music hums. In the background, a mix of high life, gospel, and laughter. Ozubulu's unique December vibe comes from its people, hardworking, welcoming, and deeply rooted in community. This is not just a village, it is a living celebration of Igbo resilience. Okay, Titi. Nestled within Idemili South, is built on layers of tradition. During December, this town becomes a tapestry of ceremonies, weddings, funerals, age-grade meetings, village gatherings, and cultural dances. In the afternoon, the roads are filled with people moving from one event to another, with traditional wrappers tied elegantly, and children chasing each other across the village squares. Okiti's December heartbeat is its community spirit. The town blends modern living with extremely deep tradition, the kind that survived migration, globalization, and distance. Here, every December has its markers: family meeting in town halls, masquerades performing age-old rituals, music drifting through the evening breeze, diaspora returnees giving back to their villages, feasts that stretch deep into the night. Okititi is where December is not just an event, it is a homecoming festival. Nnobi. Nnobi sits at the crossroads of tradition and calm development. During the festive seasons, the town undergoes a quiet transformation. Roads get busier, markets swell, with crowds buying last-minute Christmas items, and compounds prepare for visitors returning from far places. Nnobi's December culture is built on family, reunion, remembrance, and the present preservation of lineage. At night, the community glows with lanterns, solar lights, and the headlights of returning vehicles. Elders bless grandchildren they haven't seen in years. Age grades gather to plan new development projects. For many Igbos, Nnobi feels like stepping back into the world where time slows down, a world where the village feels internal. Ihiala, one of the most expansive towns in the southeast, is a beautiful mix of rural living and rapid modernization. December in Ihiala feels like a cultural carnival. Every day, there is a celebration happening somewhere. A wedding, a new house opening, a festival, a title ceremony, a charity program, a family reunion. The streets become a blend of colorful attires, cars from across Nigeria, and children running freely under palm trees. Ihiala's December magic is in its diversity. You see old tradition displayed proudly, yet modernity stands beside them. Impressive homes, thriving businesses, and a strong sense of progress. Ohafia in Abia State is different from every other place in this documentary. It is one of the oldest warrior communities in the entire Igbo world, known for courage, history, and solidarity. The first thing you notice about Ohafia is the landscape. Rolling hills, red earth, thick vegetation and long winding roads that cut through the terrain like ancient pathways. December here is extraordinary. Masquerade, dance with fierce energy, age-grade ceremonies take center stage. Warrior history is retold in songs and dance, and the entire community becomes a cultural museum. Evenings in Ohafia feel spiritual. The sound of flutes echoes across the hills. Campfires flicker in front of compounds. Families sit together to tell stories that have survived centuries. Ohafia is not just beautiful, it is timeless. Orupo, located in the Idemili North, is known for its quiet prosperity. This is a town where many wealthy individuals trace their roots. Yet, the environment remains peaceful, orderly, and graceful. During December, large homes open their gates. Diaspora families arrive in convoys. Charity projects are launched. Community development meetings take place. The streets become filled with energy and celebrations. Orupo's December atmosphere is calm, refined, and dignified. Even the celebrations feel intentional, elegant, rather than extravagant. The town embodies the Igbo belief that true wealth is shown through community development, not noise. Osume in Nnewi South is one of the fast developing towns in the region. During December, its transformation becomes clear. New buildings appear, more families return home, and the community becomes the hub of activities. December in Osume includes weddings, house openings, charity events, cultural celebrations, youth carnivals, family reunions. It is a town that tells a powerful story that remote Igbo communities are evolving rapidly, driven by sons and daughters who never forget their roots. Nnakwa, another proud town in Idemili, is a quiet yet powerful connected community known for its diaspora strength, enviable unity, and strategic location. Each December, Nnakwa becomes a reunion center where families reconnect and entire communities celebrate achievements from the year. Traditional drummers fill the air with rhythms that echo through the hills. Village squares buzz with youth carnivals, end-of-the-year festivals, and the iconic gathering where locals and returnees contribute to the development projects. Electricity upgrades, road maintenance, scholarship schemes, and community support systems. Nnakwa is one of those Igbo towns where visitors instantly feel the heartbeats of the community. Peaceful, organized, welcoming, and proudly traditional. Abatete is a town where ancestral tradition blends naturally with modern Igbo progress, home to notable personalities and a long history of craftsmanship, entrepreneurship, and communal unity. Abatete transforms visibly during December. Families arrive in convoys, old compounds come alive with fresh paintings, palm trees sway above homes newly refurbished for the festive season. During the Christmas and New Year celebrations, Abatete becomes a carnival. Age grade meetings, chieftaincy ceremonies, foundational projects commissioned by sons and daughters who have returned from abroad or major Nigerian cities, and cultural performances that retell the town's heritage. The warmth and hospitality of Abatete shines, reminding visitors that in Igboland, progress is communal and home is forever. Across all these villages, one truth stands out. The Igbo spirit lives strongest in the village. It is a spirit of community, enterprise, culture, unity, remembrance, progress through self-effort. The December return is not simply travel. It is a cultural ritual of rebirth, a declaration that no matter how far the world takes you, there is a place that will always call you home. These villages are more than locations on a map. They are living symbols of identity. In every Igbo heart, there is a quiet voice, a memory of home, a longing for connection, a yearning for belonging. That is why every December, millions return to greet elders, to open new homes, to honor ancestors, to celebrate life. The road home may be long, the journey may be tiring, but the destination is always worth it. Because in Igboland, the village is not just where you were born. It is where your story begins and where it will always return. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey through the villages that define the Igbo December spirit. If this documentary touched your heart, if it reminded you of home, if it inspired pride in who you are, then like this video, share it with someone who needs to remember where they come from, and subscribe for more documentaries from Eastern Nigeria.